Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Hope, a charming town in British Columbia. Nestled at the meeting point of the Fraser and Coquihalla Rivers, Hope is surrounded by the stunning landscapes of the Coast Mountains. Located about 154 kilometers east of Vancouver, it's often called the gateway to British Columbia's interior because several major highways converge here, making it a key stop for travelers. The history of Hope is rich and fascinating. The area has been home to Indigenous people for thousands of years. The town saw rapid growth during the Fraser River gold rush in the late 1850s, transforming it into a bustling hub of activity. Today, visitors to Hope can explore various attractions that showcase its natural beauty and cultural heritage. The Hope Museum offers insights into the town's past, including exhibits on Indigenous culture, the gold rush era, and the development of the railway. For nature enthusiasts, the Othello Tunnels in Coquihalla Canyon Provincial Park are a must-see. These historic railway tunnels and bridges provide breathtaking views of the Coquihalla River as it winds through a narrow gorge. Whether you're passing through on your way to other destinations or planning a stay to explore its many attractions, Hope offers a warm welcome and a wealth of experiences for all visitors.
Thanks for watching!